In this tutorial, we're going to talk about roundabout second exit at a multi-lane roundabout. Your tester will ask you at the roundabout take the second exit, in this case straight ahead. So how do we take the second exit at a multi-lane roundabout? At this roundabout we're taking the second exit, which is at the 12 o'clock position. And this is where we need to mention how to leave a roundabout. Mirrors and signal at the exit before the exit you wish to take. Keep to the lane provided, an observation, a left mirror check as you take up position on the exit lane. If you need to change lanes, you must check your appropriate blind spot beforehand. You will need to be aware of road markings and what the road markings tell you. We are taking the second exit, which is at the 12 o'clock position. At this roundabout, we can see by the road markings, the left lane is for going left or straight on, and the right lane is for going right or straight on. Approach in the left lane unless road markings say otherwise. As you can see, we can be in either lane. So, when we were working on this video, we decided to show you how to use the right lane to go straight, because this is rarely shown to learners. You can see the red car is using the left lane, which is normal for the second exit, but it's good to know the right lane is also allowed because of the road markings on the approach. Please note, this roundabout has 2 lanes on the approach, on the roundabout, and on all exits of the roundabout, so road markings will tell you what lanes you can use. If you do need to change lanes for any reason, you must check your appropriate blind spot beforehand. As always, your driving instructor will help you with timing and local roundabout situations which may not be shown in our video. So make sure you get live lessons and you get in as much practice as possible on roundabouts.